Hello, and welcome to another update on VeChain. We are here on the weekly chart, and if you like the content, the analysis, make sure you subscribe to the channel and leave a thumbs up. Yeah, time to update VeChain. You guys voted on Discord, and VeChain was one of the higher ranking coins here in our poll. For those of you who don't know, on our Discord server, you guys can also, basically determine, or at least give your voice, give your vote for the coins I update either on Discord or here on YouTube. VeChain, you guys wanted to see VeChain. So let's break it down. I still see some potential here for rising prices, especially because Q4 is typically quite a bullish, let's say a bullish month, right? Not Q4 is not a bullish month, but you know what I mean. Q4 is typically a bullish quarter. Typically, end of the year, we normally see some upside across the sector. That happened, in 2024 as well. Look at this, The rally started in October. I mean, VeChain bottomed in October. Was it November? End of October, early November 2024. So we had some upside there. But again, not every year is great for VeChain, but 2023 was also quite good. Here we actually bottomed, first of all, in June, but then sort of August was rather weak, September was rather weak, and then also here, October, led to a rally into the February-March highs of 2024. You could say also, end of 2022, in December. It started a little later in December. It wasn't really a substantial rally, but this was kind of towards the end of the bear market, right? So we still have to see the overall cycles kind of play a role there. But very often, I mean, also here 2020, market pushed end of 2020 into the 2021 highs. And so, you often see upside also here. 2021 in September, it formed the low. I think we can conclude very often, sort of in Q4, lows are formed. So from a seasonalities point of view, still quite interesting, but we don't necessarily always only use seasonalities. It's just an interesting observation. What I use is price structure, and we have hit key support levels, right? This trend line here has been with us for quite some time, and it's still holding, and it's currently coming in around 1.8, 1.9 cents. I'm still looking for higher prices, but probably more like a corrective rally. That's the difficulty here. I don't expect all-time highs, but I can see in an optimistic perspective or with an optimistic bullish lens, I can see a broader ABC rally to the upside in which the C wave has reached can reach 7.5 cents, 10.5 cents, no problem. I just don't have the most convincing start to that C-wave rally yet. But we all know when the altcoins move, they move very quickly. So if you wait to get positioned when it happened, or you wait for confirmation, it can already be too late. The blue scenario is a less optimistic perspective, but in both counts, there is a case for higher prices. It's just that the momentum at the moment is weak, but from a reward to risk point of view, it can be interesting. Now, let's also take a look at the shorter time frame for VeChain. And what you see here is that the market is holding in some kind of a triangle pattern. Actually, we're moving in some kind of a triangle. I could even see here a possible B-wave triangle. The idea is that the market found a low of sorts in April. We saw a rally, could be an A-wave, B-wave pullback into the June lows, and now a rally into the July high, and then consolidation, maybe just waiting for the right moment before then, maybe in October, a low forms, or maybe even earlier, but it's, again, pointing towards a rally in Q4. When will I stop watching for a rally? Well, if we get a decisive break below 2 cents, it would be a first sign of a failure. This is our Fibonacci support zone. Fib levels measured based on the length of the June low to the July high. And I mean, as first resistance, I use this trend line here. We have 3 touch points. So a break above that upper boundary line there of the trend channel could be an indication that we're moving up. It's not a channel, it's a triangle, but a break above that upper boundary line could send us next to the previous swing highs. On the local level, that would be around 2.97 cents and then 3.4 cents. But for now, we are in a holding pattern. I know it's boring, a lot of people get bearish then, and I'm also not overwhelmingly bullish, but I'm rather favoring higher prices as long as we are holding this Fibonacci support area. So yeah, that's the update on VeChain. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, also check out our X channel for additional updates, news, and much more. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.